Good morning. We are on our way to Disney's Boardwalk Hotel for the Bon Voyage Breakfast with Ariel, Prince Eric, Flynn Rider and Rapunzel. And then after that, oh, there's a lizard. Hang on. Then after that we are going to Blizzard Beach. I don't know what time we'll get there, but we're going. And then after that, I don't know what we're doing. Guess I'll find out. So yeah, that's our morning today. See how it goes and see what Blizzard Beach is like from what I remember. Back in 2004, Typhoon is a lot better.
Where are we going?
For the pickup spot. We're just waiting for our Uber now. We're here at the boardwalk. I have never ever been here before. It's very pretty. Lovely view. Where's Jordan?
Now we're pretty lucky guys, don't you think? We got chin hair.
Yeah. I wish I could grow up.
I mean, do you have a frog?
I'm a frog. Yes, it's princess at the minute.
I have a pastel at home.
Do you really? Yeah. I'm sorry. I mean, he always likes climbing up my arm, sitting on my shoulder and sticking his tongue in my ear.
Yeah.
It's not something I'd recommend to anybody.
No.
It's not good hygiene. It's not good practice.
No.
Definitely not. How do you know this guy? This is my boyfriend. Oh, really? Yeah. Right. Oh, okay. No, we had a normal meet, right? Oh, that's good. That's good. Apparently I'm the only one. But it worked out for me. Don't listen to me. I did not break this rule. I didn't. Oh, fine. I believe you.
Stand up and strike your most adventurous pose, cause it's time for our celebration song. Now, you all know how to sing happy birthday. We're going to use the same melody for our celebration.
So we've got our pastries. They come in a little frying pan, which is so cute. I'll show you a closer look. So these look very yummy.
What?
Which one do you want, Jordan?
What?
The pastry. Try it. There's little plates there if you want to put it on a plate. Go on, have a try. Ready?
I don't know what flavour that is.
Nice?
It's alright.
So I just tried the star pastry.
Start.
Yeah, star thing. And now I have the Ariel cupcake. So it's like all different colours. It's really cool. So here we go. It's just a vanilla cupcake with loads of cool colours in it. And Rapunzel and Flynn Rider are Rapunzel's there, Flynn's there, and I think Prince Eric's coming now. First impressions?
I've tried it, yeah.
I'll try it. Take your time.
Great.
Ready, go. You don't know if it's good? What do you mean? You don't like it?
Not really.
Still eat it though, right?
I'll eat some of it.
No. It's just meat and cheese. And I have my breakfast. I have a tower of pancakes. Jordan's not sure about his, but we're both really fussy, so that doesn't surprise me. So I'm going to dig into mine. It's very cute. It's got like a little sun on it. And some sausages as well. Do you want my sausages? Hi!
It is.
Especially when Sebastian sings with Caucasian dinners. You can have him write you your own songs too. Oh, that sounds good. That sounds very good. And he's very talented. No, and don't worry, we won't let Scuttle sing to you about it.
Oh no.
How was Flounder today? So these are just best wishes, so I just want to say yeah.
So we just left Bon Voyage Breakfast. I can't say the name of the restaurant, so I'm not even going to try. I was just waiting for an Uber to take us to Blizzard Beach now. Breakfast was good. We just don't think that we're that hungry for breakfast. And we filled up a lot of pastries, so then it was a bit of a waste of breakfast. We didn't really eat much of it. The characters were really good. We had some really good character interactions, didn't we? So Jordan thought it was going to be really awkward because there's boys, but it wasn't actually that bad.
Well, Eric wanted a good reaction.
No, Eric was a bit rushed, but they were doing that celebration thing, weren't they? So that'll be why. But it was still cool, and I still liked Prince Eric, but it was alright. Flynn Rider was, I think Flynn Rider was probably, Flynn and Rapunzel were probably the best ones. Ariel seemed a bit rushed and so did Eric, but other than that,
Right.
it was really good.
Uber in? I don't know.
I don't know, should be here soon. We're here at Blizzard Beach, got my bikini on, and I took my contacts out so I cannot see a thing, but that's okay. Kind of used to that. So, yep, just waiting for Jordan to finish getting changed, just hugging our locker. And then we'll head off and see what Blizzard Beach is all about. Like I said, I haven't been here since 2004. But Jordan really wanted to come, so I'm here. We'll just see if it's better than what I remember back in 2004. A lot can change. Every other park has changed, so it wouldn't surprise me if this has had some changes too. So yeah, just waiting for him and then we can go. So we are back from Blizzard Beach and we're back in the room. We had an eventful probably 20 minutes. Jordan lost his magic band, possibly in the waves in Blizzard Beach, but not to worry, he has a new one. We went to the guest services at Blizzard Beach and they told us that the hotel, if it didn't show up by the end of the day, the hotel would be able to provide us with a new one for free, and they did, and it's blue as well. So it's basically the same as what he had, it just doesn't have his name in it, which is a bit of a bummer, but oh well. And then something great happened to me. I found a Halloween cup, and I asked the woman in the shop if I could switch for this Halloween cup for my old refillable, and she gave me some magic and made it happen. But I was also able to fill up my old cup, so now I have two. But I was really happy because I really wanted the Halloween one, the one I wanted when we got here, so I was really happy. So she is lovely, and I can't remember what her name was, which is a shame because I would actually shout her out right now. But she was so nice. So yeah, so Jordan lost his magic band and I got a new cup. So Disney magic is definitely all around. We're really happy, managed to get Jordan a brand new magic band, really set up, very easy, and I have a new refillable cup. So overall a really good day. Blizzard Beach was fun. We're on our way to Disney Springs. To, where are we going?
Boathouse.
House of Blues? Yeah?
Yeah.
That sounds about right. We're going for dinner at the House of Blues, so I've got my lovely little play suit on. And Jordan's just here. So we're just going for the bus now. We should be here in 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes now. But it wasn't too bad. We are not that far away from the bus stop, so it's not that bad. FaceTimed my mum earlier. That was quite nice. It's nice to see her. Oh, shut up. You FaceTimed your mum like 4 times. Oh, mummy, mummy, mummy.
No, 3 times. I think I did it twice.
Okay, whatever.
Yeah.
This backpack does not go with this outfit.
Why have you brought your backpack? It's fucking open. What are you doing?
I brought my backpack.
Woman. A woman.
What?
Woman.
Still recording you now.
Hi. Woman.
I don't know why I brought my backpack, to be fair. But oh well, I'm just that used to carrying it. Food has arrived. We both got steak. Jordan's got his with chips. And I got my sweet potato fries. So happy. So I'm laid in bed. I am so tired. The cocktail went straight to my head. It was very strong. It was good. We're going back there on Wednesday instead of going to Planet Hollywood because it was nice. We had steak and the steak was good. I'm still feeling a little drunk. But we're back and it's bedtime, so good night. Bye.